guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another new release video. I'm putting these stickers up in my shop, so by the time you're watching this they will actually be listed already. I'm filming this on Thursday, but it's going live on Friday, and all of these stickers will be live in the shop when this video goes up. So if you see anything you like in this video, I'm gonna have links down below. You can check out my shop and purchase it if you're interested. And if you're not interested in this video, don't worry, more Etsy videos are coming. I have an Etsy video going up on Sunday. If you guys want to stick around and see what new items I have in my shop, let's just get into this video. Alright, so the first collection that I have is our butterfly collection, and here we have the glitter. This is a more like chunky glitter, and I say that because my other collection is more of a finer like glitter type, and I want you guys to be able to know the difference. But this is a chunkier glitter, so you just have your separate glitter headers. Alright, and then this is the full kit. So we have our full boxes. The quote box says, "Without change there would be no butterflies," and I just thought that was like a perfect quote for this quote box. And you see you have like a couple butterflies and then some like floral patterns. Wow, I can't talk. And I just really loved the colors, and it's very springtime. These papers were actually used in our April monthly spring kit. So it kind of looks similar to what we had last week, but it's the full kit of that. Then you have your functional sheet. You have your date covers, hydrate stickers, little half box checklist of flight info and some half boxes. You have your ombre heart checklist, your half boxes, quarter boxes, bill due, habit trackers, scallop labels, and a reading sticker, your little things and washi strips, your like sidebar type of stickers and some headers. And then, actually move that out of the way. And then you have your washi, your two bottom washi strips. Well, there's technically 4, but 2 for each side. And then you have your checklist, work labels, a movie sticker, some flags, and then some little asterisk stickers. And that is the full kit for the butterfly collection. If you guys didn't know, this you can get bundled as the full kit, or on this one, on our website only, you can purchase a la carte. So any of these sheets, like if you wanted to mix and match, you could. That's only on our website. On Etsy, it just comes bundled. The glitter headers are a separate listing though. Then we have our mini kit, which has the full boxes, which is basically the same. Then you have your little functional sheet, and the only difference on this sheet is there's not the second weekend banner, there's more scallop labels. Then you have your headers and little things, date dots, and your washi strip. Then you have half boxes, quarter boxes, checklist, a Monday through Sunday ombre box, habit tracker, bill due, reading sticker, some flags, half boxes, and a movie night sticker. And that is the mini kit. I think that this next collection may be one of my favorites I've ever done. So I reformatted this. I had this in my shop last year. This is the Bloom collection. So here's like the finer glitter. I don't even know if you can tell a huge difference on camera, but it's just not as chunky as the other glitter. Then we have our full boxes, and it says "Bloom where you are planted." If I can get it. Ombre heart checklist. You have your half boxes sheet. You have your head like date dots and stuff. Your functional sheet. Little things. Headers. And then your washi strips, which has some bow washi. Which the other one also had bow washi. I didn't even point that out, but I did like put like bows on the washi to kind of just give it a little something extra than just being a solid color. So that is the Bloom full kit and the glitter headers. And then we're gonna go into the Bloom mini kit. And it's, you know, basically the same thing, just in a mini kit form. This one doesn't have bow washi, just has the pattern washi strips. Okay guys, so that is everything coming to the shop this week. Also, we had several like $2 Tuesdays, which I didn't even get to show you, but I'll show you some of them These are actually my sheets, so it doesn't quite look like this. The heading is going to be different. But we had some grocery stickers. We had some running shoes, which obviously I've used this sheet, but it basically will just have extra stickers, obviously. So, so yeah, we had that one. I think we had this Happy Mail one. We had the coffee doodles. Again, these are my personal sheets, so that's why some of them have been used. What else did we have? We had these little printers. We had some cutting machines. We had several different like little doodle icon stickers, so if you guys are interested in those, they are on the website right now, so, and on Etsy. So yeah, all right guys, so that's everything that's in the shop this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did. Leave in the comments below like some sticker kits that you want to see come to the shop, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in planner stickers, all things planner sticker related, such as like Etsy behind the scenes and just plan with me, anything like that. Make sure you subscribe and stick around because more of that content is coming to my channel very soon. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way you're notified anytime that I upload. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the